Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Have you ever wondered about those tiny sand crabs, also known as mole crabs, that scuttle along the ocean's edge? They're more than just bait. They're a surprising culinary secret, especially popular in some coastal regions. Today, we're going to unlock the delicious potential of these little crustaceans, showing you how easy it is to turn them into a unique and tasty dish for your table. Before we cook, proper cleaning is essential. Start by giving your sand crabs a good rinse under cold, running water. This helps remove any loose sand or tiny shells. You're simply washing them, not dissecting them. There's no need to gut these small creatures. A quick, thorough wash is all it takes to get them ready for the pan. Now for the fun part, cooking them. A simple pan fry is often the best way to enjoy their unique texture. Heat a few tablespoons of your favorite cooking oil, like vegetable or canola, in a skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, carefully add your clean sand crabs in a single layer. Cook them for just a few minutes until they turn a beautiful, vibrant orange red and become deliciously crispy. As soon as your sand crabs are golden and perfectly crispy, quickly remove them from the pan. You might want to briefly place them on a paper towel to absorb any extra oil, helping them stay nice and crunchy. Now, for the finishing touch. A simple sprinkle of sea salt is often all you need. Serve them piping hot, perhaps with a dipping sauce, or just enjoy them as a unique, crunchy snack. To elevate your sand crabs even further, try adding a pinch of garlic powder or a dash of Old Bay seasoning while they're cooking. Remember, they are truly best enjoyed right after frying, when they are at their crispiest. These little critters offer a surprisingly delightful taste of the ocean, a true hidden gem for adventurous eaters. Give them a try and discover a new favorite snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.